Today, we are very happy to invite our employee from all over the world. And now I will teach them how to operate our machine. So follow me, let's go.
For customer, it's a very good technique. We haven't anyone negative feedback. We sold for last year more than 20 these excavators and only positive feedbacks. This talk about good and high quality of excavator Zoomlion.
My feeling to use this Zoomlion unit is it's very good. Absolutely, for my region in Indonesia, a lot of and most of the customer use this kind of machine. So have a good fuel consumption and good power and good ability to work in his site for mining or the forestry and for the construction also.
Zoomlion is just as too easy to operate, knowledge regarding to handle with this unit. The stick is so comfortable.
About Zoomlion, well, I'm really feeling good. I'm more proud of Zoomlion and more confident and believing about Zoomlion quality.
Zoomlion is good.
You need to buy Zoomlion.
I love Zoomlion.
This is Zoomlion.